Hello everyone, there is another video for you. Today we're going to replace the screen for Samsung tablet T280. Okay, there are a couple of videos, more than that on online how to do that, but I always try my best to make it simple, right? Because normally who the people who watch those videos, they want to repair themselves. Okay, they are not technicians. Okay, so first of all, what you need, obviously you need the right replacement screen, which is that one. Alright, so now we need a couple of stuff. The good point with this machine, you don't need any screwdriver, to be honest. Okay, so that's really good. Okay, and you might need double-sided tape or strong adhesive, which is B7000, always I prefer. But double-sided tape also fine, which is that one. Okay, and we need plastic card. Okay, so this card is look like very soft. Okay, but the good point is it does work like a blade to cut the adhesive. So let's start. Okay, there were a couple of things you need to know, because this one has two part. Okay, as you can see, the white one, the back cover, the first one, this is the back cover, then the mid frame, and then the back cover, then another one which is also mid cover, and then the third one which is the actual mid frame, and then the screen. So now if you try to opening up the first one, you're gonna make it very difficult. So what you need to do first, make sure you open it up from this part, as you can see.
This one side.
Yeah, this is the one. Don't try from the white one, try to take out included the gray one. Okay, so go around and make sure if there is any memory card, this is always suggested, please take it out. My one is empty, which is fine. Okay, just get patient and do it slowly, because this sort of job you should have much more time on your hand when you start. Yeah, as you can see, it's very simple. Now imagine if you try to take out the front one, which is the white one, it is going to be very difficult because a lot of plastic rivets in there, and then again the second one. Don't make it complicated. Okay. Then I did realize a lot of people, they take out the battery, right? There might be a reason, but we'll try to avoid it. First, what are you going to do? We're going to disconnect it. Okay, because we don't want to see there is any static or electricity in there while you do that. Okay, so just unclip the latch and keep this cos tape and take it out. Okay, so now the main screen comes with two connectors. One is for the LCD and touch. Okay, one for touch, one for the screen. So as you can see here, this is the only one you need to connect, and the second one, which is covered with the tape. Okay, just for security. Okay, what are we gonna do? We're gonna peel it off. Okay, or we don't need to worry about it, we can just cut the tape. Simple. We can add some later. Okay, so let's try to heat up, because as much as possible, if you put the temperature in, then the adhesive will be more softer and gentle, so easily you can pry it and take it out. So now my job is to apply more heat, so that's the reason why I use always my 2200 watts hair dryer, which is really good. so let's dig into it. Okay. Okay, you need to be careful in this part. As you can see, there is the back button and the page button. Okay, so these two are very sensitive, the flex underneath. So when you put your spudger or ICs in there, you need to be really careful. Okay, just apply more heat. That's the easiest way to take it out. Okay, fine, seems it's okay. I can see still is not damaged. That's fine. So now I'm going to put something in between two so it doesn't get close again. Now let's put some more heat in here. Slowly and gently. You can see the many page buttons still attached to the frame, I mean to the screen, which is not good. So what I need to do, I need to use this plastic card, cut the glue in between. Okay, that's fine now. So the most sensitive part already been removed. So now it's very simple and easy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep this one open and put some more heat on the top. Let's start from here. My screen inside, which is damaged, that's why I'm changing the complete I mean the screen itself and the digitizer. So I don't care if it breaks, but in case if your front one, then you must need to be careful, you know. Okay, it's already came off easily without any issue. It's quite strong. I'm surprised. Good. Totally fine. Right, that's how it's easy and simple. I don't want to damage the double-sided tape, then I can attach easily another one. Okay, and now we need to take out the home button. Okay, and here is the replacement. Okay, and I would like to cover this part. Even this is plastic, but still, you know, double safety first. That's the main thing for any repairs. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out, attach in here. It's lovely. So this is what people easily they forget, you know, to attach the home button. okay, which is really important. Okay, that's fine. Now what you need to do, you need to put the flex in. Okay. Fine. Once the flex is in, make sure the back button and the page button, they are on right place. Okay, so try to put the bottom first. Good. And that's how simple it is. You see, I didn't even attach any double-sided tape or adhesive, and the home button also quite clicky, which is fine. Okay, but problem is I reuse the glue inside, which one came from manufacturer. The reason is I done it so quickly, but if you leave it for a couple of hours, then if you try, the inside adhesive get dried out, so the bond wouldn't be that much strong. So let's say you done half of the way, middle of the way, if you just stop for a couple of hours, make sure you clean the previous glue and apply the new one. Okay, but because of this complete screen goes to the frame inside, so that's why you don't need that much. As you can see, there is kind of embossed frame. Okay, so it does help a lot, gives extra support to keep the actual LCD on the place. Okay, so now we're gonna connect the display connector and the digitizer, and then we'll test it. Okay, a lot of people take out the battery. I don't know why they do that, because for this model you don't need to take it out. Okay, it's connected, and this is also connected. Now the battery connector, which is this one. Okay, that's fine. As you can see, there is a white line, and underneath there is a brass line, so make sure both of them goes all the way to the inside. Okay, so now close it. Without putting the back cover on, I'm gonna turn it on and see if there is any problem. Okay, so the top one, this is the power button. Let's turn it on and see. Hopefully there is charge. Okay, there is no charge, so I'm going to connect my charger and finally test it out. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, the display is on. Alright, I know this screen is fine because I already did test it in another motherboard. So for your case, make sure before you apply the glue or before you attach it to the main frame, you double check it. How are you going to check it? Don't put any adhesive, just connect these two connector, even the battery, and turn it on. Check the touch. If it is functional properly, then you can put it on. Okay, so now I'm going to put back the back frame and the job would be done. 1 second. So that's how simple it is to fix your Samsung Tab T280. Hopefully you do like this video. If you do, please subscribe my channel. That would help me to get more future videos for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.